Hey, what's up people? This is me Kritika. I hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. So, as we know, we all are going through some tough situations right now. I hope you and your loved ones are healthy. Stay in and stay safe. And if you are new to my channel, hi, I am Kritika. I make videos on DIY fashion photography. I would love if you subscribe to my channel. So talking about this video is all about how to make YouTube thumbnail on your mobile phone. Thumbnail is an immensely important part of our video. So that's why your thumbnail should be very attractive in appearance. Like if you have these two options, what would you choose? Obviously the attractive one. So this is what I want to say. I will share with you how you can edit your YouTube thumbnail. So in this video, I'm gonna be sharing you 3 different types of thumbnail you have to keep in your mind. So let's get started with the video. Open PicsArt app, go to the create option, then select edit a photo. Search whatever you want to put in the background. I choose yellow bricks because I like yellow and yellow looks vibrant. So this is the main thing you should know. Try to click horizontal photo, otherwise you can crop it like this. YouTube supports only landscape photos. Go to add photo, select your pictures you want for thumbnail, adjust them nicely. Now go to the sticker option, search white frame. There are plenty of options, select one of them you like the most, then again adjust them over a photo. You can also duplicate it. Then again go to the sticker option and search paint. Choose one of them who looks nice. Then adjust it below in the photo. Then go to the text option and write your video based on which, then customize it as you like. Change color, fonts and make it interesting. After that, save it. There will be an ad play. Save it in gallery. Again open PicsArt, go to the create option, then select edit photo. Search whatever you put in the background. I choose white bricks. Go to the tools option and crop it in landscape. Add photo, choose one of your photo. Then go to the cutout option, outline the area you want to cut out. After that, save it. Go to the border option, then adjust it. Make more similar cutouts related to your video. I gave you an example and the rest is I already made because the video would be much longer. After that, adjust them in a background. And go to the sticker option and search pink paint cause it looks nice on this. Select one of them and adjust in a photo. Then again search blue paint, select one of them After that, select the text option and write your video based on which. I write one palazzo, different style. Customize it. Make sure it looks nice. That's it. Save it in gallery. So open the Canva app, go to YouTube thumbnail. There are many options. Select what you like. Then tap on a photo and delete. Replace your photo, go to the gallery, select your photo related to your video. That photo should be in landscape. Adjust it. Then tap on the text, cut it and write your video paste on. That's it. Save it in gallery.